everyone, my name is Princess Michaela. Today, I'm going to cook pancake and welcome to Kayla's cooking show. These are the ingredients that we need. We have the hot cake mix, a piece of bowl with fork, eggs, hot water, and vanilla. Are you ready, guys? Let's begin.
Yeah!
First, we're gonna pour the flour into this big bowl. Second, we're gonna use 2 eggs.
Wow! Wow!
And then we're gonna mix it together. Then you can also put hot water. Just mix it and mix it. Pan. Guys, this is the most exciting one is we're gonna cook the pancake.
Whoa.
First, we're gonna heat the pan. And then, we're gonna put the margarine vanilla in the pan. Then, we're gonna pour our mix. Let's wait it until it's golden brown before we flip it. Let's try flipping it. This is how you flip it.
Wow!
I'm so excited to taste it. Maybe this is delicious. Yeah! Because I made it. I'm so hungry. It smells good.
Come on!
Now, I'm gonna pour the honey into this pancake. It's so delicious. So delicious.
Come on. Come on.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. See you the next episode, guys. Bye!